Friends, now again unit 3 3.1. If we'll go with the third stanza. Now open your books on page number 88, the last stanza of the poem. If you can talk with the crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings, nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you, but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son. Yes, this is the last stanza of the poem. We'll see it again, the new words in the poem. Keep one's virtue. Virtue means good, virtue. गुण म्हणजे सद्गुण. पुन्हा गुण अवगुण नाही. गुण म्हणजे गुणच, पॉझिटिव्ह मिनिंग इज देयर. सद्गुण. Yes. Keep one's virtue means keep one's goodness or morals under any condition. म्हणजे सत्सद विवेक आपण असं मराठी म्हणू द्या. सद विवेक बुद्धीने, सत्सद विवेक बुद्धीने आपण म्हणतो. वन कीप वन्स व्हर्च्यू. लूज कॉमन टच. कॉमन टच मीन्स not touch actually, but have a contact with the people. Lose means refuse to interact with the common people. Lose common touch म्हणजे सामान्य लोकांशी संबंध टाळणे. सामान्य लोकांशी संपर्क टाळणे. Many a times we see in our colony or around our home, if the person is rich or a successful person, good by profession, by earning and all these things, then many a times, not always, many a times we see that he does not talk with the people around his house. But when he needs, then he calls the peoples. He did not have a common touch. And result you know very well. What happens in such a circumstances? Yes, lose common touch. So whenever you get success, you should never lose common touch. Whether you will be successful or not, that is the other thing. But being a human, we should be always friendly with the companions or the people living around us. Then count with you. Count, yes, you know the meaning of count. Be equally important to you means सर्वांबाबत समान भाव ठेवणे. We are also getting such a type of experiences in our life. At the home of your friends also, if you think you may get such a type of experiences that they count friends in different manner, and you get a bitter experiences many times in the friendship too. Unforgiving minute. Yes, minute is the symbol of time. And time is unforgiving. You may watch the serial of Mahabharata on TV in the first phase of Corona. If not to watch, it starts many a times in the middle also, at the end also. The person who talks with you with the story and his time, he says, my samay. There is a good sound of Himesh or Bhimani. Harish Bhimani, yes, if I am not wrong. There is the clock rotating and there is the saint standing, sitting in a particular pose. And the clock moves on. That dialogue, my samay hu. And that samay is more powerful than the Lord Krishna also. The Almighty, the King, the warriors, the Bhishma, the Krishna, everything, because my samayam, it is the time, it does not forgive anybody if he is wrong. So the poet has used unforgiving minute, because time does not wait for anybody. Time waits for none. It is unforgiving minute. Amulya kshan. Amulya. We cannot make the value of the time. My Samay Hui in Mahabharata also, I have given the best example of it. With 60 seconds worth of distance run, means worth 60 seconds worth of distance run, means make good use of every second without wasting it. एक क्षण सुद्धा वाया न घालवता वेळेचा सदुपयोग करणे. That is the long phrase which is used group of words. 60 seconds worth of distance run. प्रत्येक क्षणाची किंमत करणे, वेळेची किंमत करणे, वेळ मुळीच वाया न जाऊ देणे. That is the meaning. Yours is the earth and everything that's in it. Yes, it is also the good example of tautology. It is the figure of speech. Yours is the earth, he says to his son. So tautology is there. Yours is the earth and everything that's in it. And which is more, you will be a man, my son. Means a man. A man means to be a man, means to be a good and perfect human being, yashasvi vyakti, successful man, perfect man, a man having all the balanced characters. Because in every line we have seen the poet is giving good advice to his son, and by using the word if you can, by using this particular or the special figure of speech, he tries to confirm in his mind. He is going to put pressure to that thought, to his advice, that his son should learn it very correctly, or he should get the advice which is told by his father, and he should obey it. So there is the force, and the starting of the poem also is there. If you can, then it is nothing, but it is the special speech, that is anaphora, which stress to his son, or he stressed the point very strongly to his son. Here there is the stress given, and so at last, in the last stanza also, he says that if you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, if you can talk with the crowds, with the peoples in the society, peoples, yes, in the last lessons I have explained the meaning of people and peoples. Yes, variety of people is peoples, with the race, color, caste, creed and all these peoples. People is a born plural, what I have told you is, yes, if you can talk with the crowds, so the crowd is plural, but the word crowds is used again. People, peoples, crowd, crowds. Yes, these are born plural, but again, yes, is put in the particular sense that just a minute before I have explained you. In a people, similarly in the crowds. And keep your virtue. And you keep your virtue. Means you behave in a particular manner. Satsatya buddhina vakta tumi. Or walk with the kings. Means successful people, powerful people. K is capital here in the poem. Kings. The power king is the word used to denote the powerful people in the society. Nor lose the common touch. If you have the good relationship with the powerful persons in the society, but at the same time, if you are familiar or friendly with the common people in the society, then you will be a balanced or successful man. That is the advice given by the poet to his son. Next thing, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you. Foes and friends, F is repeated. So again the figure of speech is their repetition. Here, if neither foes nor loving friends, enemies, foes means enemies, or loving friends, will never hurt you if you behave with युअर ओन व्हर्च्यू. तुम्ही सत्सद विवेक बुद्धीने जर वागले तर शत्रूच काय, मित्रच काय, शत्रू सुद्धा तुम्हाला दुखावू शकणार नाही, इजा पोहोचवू शकणार नाही. इफ ऑल मेन काउंट विथ यू, if all men count with you means be equally important to you. You are behaving equally with all the people. So if all men count with you, but none too much, don't give importance to the particular person or one person, and don't discriminate the people on the different basis, or don't make more evaluation of a particular person. So the poet says, don't, if all men count with you but none too much, if you can, yes, the last thing, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yes, if you are able to get the correct value of the time, if you give importance to the time in your life, that is the last suggestion given by or the advice given by the father to his son. If you are able to use every second, every minute, every second of every minute of the time, means if you are able to give importance to the time, because it is unforgiving. Time does not wait for anybody. Time waits for none. I have given you just an example some minutes before. Example of the theme of Mahabharata, the basic character by B.R. Chopra, along with the Krishna and Bhishma, warriors of Mahabharata, most powerful almighty Bhim. The person was time. He says, I am a time. मैं समय हूँ. And it is most almighty, most powerful. समय सबसे बलवान होता है. If you are able to get this is the advice given by the father to his son, that always remember the importance of time and follow the time. Stitch in time saves 9 always. So time always very important. So time, as time waits for none, the poet says, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, means in the world. In the earth means in the world. Yours is the earth and everything that's in it. And which is more? And what else you want more than this? What more? You will be a man, my son. All these good advices are given by the poet Rudyard Kipling to the students, as you are the sons and daughters of the great poet Rudyard Kipling. In the fatherly role, he has given the advice to the students, to the people, for their success. If you want to get success, then you have to follow particular rules. So the advice is given, and so in the particular clauses of if, the poet has composed his poem in the if clause. It is a conditional clause. If you give importance to the time, then and then you will be successful. So that is the end of the poem with the good bundle of advice for making your life most successful. Thank you, friends.